camera dies, I have to use my phone again.
Yeah. Check out these pictures I got.
Did you actually take them, or?
Like you zoom in,
Uh-huh.
you can see the actual mole.
Right on. Yeah, we're about to get another one on the TV. This one's for our county. Can we keep
Maybe
your...
this one too. This one's kind of cool. And then you
That's
zoom in.
cool. Oh, nice. Do you want me to keep your TV off while I record in my room?
Yeah.
It's not on yet. It's not on yet. I'm surprised I haven't got like a flash flood warning yet, because it's really...
raining that hard.
Well, I know not here, not for here. Like other places have said it's been producing extremely heavy rainfall
Oh,
too.
really?
Yeah, like when it was here earlier.
Actually, not a lot of cloud to ground from what I can tell. It's almost mostly cloud to cloud.
Yeah, but it's really super bright.
It is. That's because it's in the clouds.
Here we go.
Southern Pondicherry County in northeast Washington, southwestern Bonner County in the Panhandle of Idaho. This includes the city
This is crazy.
County in the Panhandle of Idaho. This includes the cities of Rathdrum, Post Falls, Hayden, Dalton Gardens, Cordley, until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Yes, baby. Holy shit. Wow, it's all the way in everything too. Extremely dangerous situation. That was really bright. Holy shit. Maybe I shouldn't open the window.